Let's unbox the Telesin magnetic smartphone neck holder. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. So this is supposed to be a magnetic neck holder for your cell phone, and it's supposed to make filming easier. So let's try this out. So before I show you the neck holder, let me show you the accessories. So I'm just gonna take this out. We've got the manual, the strap for safety with your cell phone, the magnetic ring if your cell phone doesn't already have one, and wipes to put on that magnetic ring. And of course, the Telesin magnetic neck holder. So I got this thing because I'm in the Amazon influencer program and I'm constantly filming products with my cell phone here. So the issue is I'll be holding the cell phone with my hand and I'll have a product or something, but I need two hands to work the product. And it looks really bad when I'm trying to just do it with one hand or something slips out. And I decided to get this to make filming a lot easier. Let's put this on and let's see how this works. So this is supposed to be a neck holder and it works with the magnetic. So I have an iPhone that already has the magnetic on, but if you don't, then you need to use the magnetic ring and stick it onto your phone. It's got this button here on the side to release this part to make it so that we can attach it onto our neck. So let me just do this live here. I have not done this yet. So I'm just gonna clamp this in place like so. All right, it's sitting on my neck, okay? And then now I take my cell phone and I just match it up to the magnetic ring. Boom, just like that. We've got the cell phone sitting and I'm hands-free right now. Now, we obviously need to angle it accordingly. I will say that right off the bat, you might have a neck thing happening because it's like so close. For me, this is gonna make it easier because I was having trouble filming with one hand. And so now, this whole time I've had this cell phone here hanging off of my neck and I can film down below. I can angle this here. You can't change the length of the silicone neck piece. That is pretty much gonna stay there. So you can't make it higher or you can't make it longer. So here's what it looks like from like I'm just lifting it up and it's a side view and it's just resting down. Again, you can change the angle of the cell phone. So if you even wanna do like an over top thing, you can do that. Or if you just wanna face it up like this. Now the only thing I would say when you go like this, you can't see what you're filming. You'd have to just trust whatever was going on and then check it afterwards. The magnetic is pretty strong. Like I am using quite a bit of force to remove it. They do have this string here that you can attach on so that if for whatever reason it falls, this will catch your cell phone. So you've got to make sure, if you're paranoid about that, to attach it on. So as it's sitting on my neck, it actually feels pretty comfortable. The silicone is comfortable. Nothing's like, scratching or poking into my neck. It feels like I'm just wearing a heavy necklace right now. And in regards to the magnet here, I wouldn't use this for outdoor water sports. Like let's say you were jet skiing in the water. I probably wouldn't use this because you just never know the strength of it. And for me, because this is my cell phone, I wouldn't want to risk it. So this is more for leisurely product review use. All right, so let's just do a test here. I've got the Telesin box. I'm doing a hands-free thing. I've got it going on, right? I can play with the box. It feels okay on my neck, not too heavy. And then I'm done. Click that. And there you go. I would say that right there, that just made things simpler. So that was the whole reason why I got this whole thing to begin with, is because of how I film for Amazon influencer program. I wanted to just be able to do a hands-free. So I am going to be using this moving forward. It feels great on the neck, relatively inexpensive. And if it's going to help me film more product reviews, I would recommend it. But if you are interested in checking this out, this is on Amazon. I will have the link for you down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.